Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. Making do. It means managing or coping with what is available, even if it's not ideal. Example. During the camping trip, we had to make do with limited supplies. Well off. Meaning, financially comfortable or prosperous. Example. They are well off and can afford a comfortable lifestyle. Well up. It means to fill with tears or emotion. Example. Her eyes began to well up with tears when she heard the touching story. Lie in. It means a period of staying in bed later than usual in the morning. Example. I enjoyed a relaxing lie-in on Sunday after a busy week. Lie of the land. It means the general situation or state of affairs. Example. Before making a decision, it's essential to understand the lie of the land in the business world. Spare change. It means small amounts of money, especially coins, that are not needed for essential expenses. Example. The beggar asked for spare change to buy some food. Glad rags. It means stylish or fashionable clothing worn on special occasions. Example. She put on her glad rags for the elegant evening event. Gladly suffer fools. It means to tolerate or endure foolish or irritating behavior with a positive attitude. Example. As a teacher, she learned to gladly suffer fools while helping her students. Believe in. Meaning, to have faith or confidence in the existence or truth of someone or something. Example. She strongly believes in the power of positive thinking. Could have fooled me. Expressing skepticism or disbelief in response to someone's statement or behavior. Example. He claimed to be an expert, but his performance could have fooled me. Up and about. Meaning, recovered from an illness or injury and able to move around. Example. After a week of rest, he was finally up and about. Antedate. It means to assign a date earlier than the actual date. Example. The letter was antedated to make it appear as if it was sent before the deadline. Clear cut. It means clearly defined or easily distinguishable, lacking ambiguity. Example. The evidence presented was so clear-cut that there was no doubt about the culprit. Smooth out. It means to remove or resolve irregularities or difficulties, making something smoother. Example. They worked together to smooth out the issues in the collaboration. Which is which. Used to express confusion or uncertainty about distinguishing between two things. Example. The identical twins dressed alike, and it was hard to tell which is which. Rare gem. It means something exceptionally valuable or unique. Example. The antique shop owner was thrilled to find a rare gem among the old artifacts. Scarce as hen's teeth. It means extremely rare or difficult to find. Example. Genuine antique coins from that era are as scarce as hen's teeth. Scarce resources. It means limited or insufficient supplies or materials. Example. During the drought, water became a scarce resource in the region. Cat's meow. It means something excellent, stylish, or highly admired. Example. The vintage car was considered the cat's meow among automobile enthusiasts. Blow the whistle. It means to expose wrongdoing or illegal activities, often within an organization. Example. The employee decided to blow the whistle on the corrupt practices within the company. Blow smoke. Meaning, to exaggerate or make misleading statements to deceive someone. Example. The politician was accused of blowing smoke during the election campaign. Make a match. Meaning, to arrange or set up a romantic or compatible pairing between individuals. Example. The dating app claims to make a match based on users' interests and preferences. Round up. Meaning, to gather or collect people or things, often to form a group. Example. Let's round up the team for a quick meeting to discuss the project. Versatile performer. It means an individual who excels in various roles or skills. Example. She proved to be a versatile performer, showcasing her talent in acting, singing, and dancing. Cross-reference. Meaning, to refer from one part of a book or document to another, providing additional information. Example. The index allows for easy cross-referencing of topics in the encyclopedia. By any means. It means using any method or resource available. Example. We must succeed by any means necessary to achieve our goals. Thank you for watching this video. If it is useful, please subscribe. See you soon.